The event has been a godsend because I've been trading alone in my room at home, and now I get to trade with 100 other traders, and it's the best thing when you can just ask quick questions to the person next to you, or you hear somebody calling out a trade, and it's just, yeah, like I said, it's a godsend. Just to be able to be amongst your peers and to eat together, to run together. It's been a wonderful event.
Amazing. I literally contemplate, because I mean, it's from Toronto, obviously, that I had to come from. So I contemplated it back and forth. And I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna miss this. I came and I had zero regrets. It was absolutely incredible.
It was awesome. I mean, it was awesome. It's, I feel like it's a very refreshing event. You know, going back to my trading, I feel like, you know, not only am I gonna have like more tools, you know, the energy, being able to, you know, interact with other traders and, you know, just kind of get that sense of community. You know, I think it's really an awesome experience.
I've been looking forward for it for such a long time. So it was absolutely amazing to meet the moderators and people from the community. You know, it's very nice to put a face to all the names I see on the chat room every morning. So it was great.
I don't know if you've heard, like, when little kids go to Disneyland, you know, it's like the characters come alive. So yeah, I kind of got to see that.
I'd love to go there, yeah.
Learning trading is not an individual thing. And the amount of time you save, the learning curve, I call that cross-pollination. So you learn from other people. And if you have a question, you may struggle it for a long time, but if you ask somebody in a chat room, like John, after like 11 o'clock, you get the right answer instantaneously. I have this problem with this thing. How do you do this? Boom, get an answer. That is incredible amount of time you save. And the thing is, not only the right answer, but the time you save. That's the real thing.
First of all, I want to say thank you for the event, for organizing. Everything was great. And just keep going what you do. You are the best.
Energizing, motivating, and community.
Inspiring, incredible, and hopeful. And that's hopeful for me that my life is going to change from this.
Fun, fun, fun. That's what you're going to get when you come to these events.